ConnectTeam Review. Is it the best workforce management software? So it is a workforce management software for offering employee management and designed specifically for deskless or field teams. It combines scheduling, time tracking, task and checklist management, internal communications, shift and roster management, and even all accessible via a mobile app and the website. So let's talk about the pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers an all-in-one platform for non-desk workforces. It also offers a mobile-first and easy-to-use platform, and the interface is very easy to access. It even offers a free small tier for up to 10 users, and it has a flexibility and customization as well. It offers centralized communication and time tracking plus a GPS for geofencing. Now for the cons though, they have a limited integration, payroll and third-party tool support. The advanced features also lag behind higher tier plans. And there are some reporting and analytics which are basic, and users wanting in-depth custom reports for labor analytics may find it insufficient. It's also not ideal for large or complex enterprises needing the full payroll. So overall, it is one of the strongest all-around workforce management tools for small to medium-sized businesses with diskless or field staff, especially when you need scheduling, time tracking, communications, and basic HR trainings. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications